A project team is a group or individuals who work together to complete a specific project or task. Project teams are often formed for the purpose of achieving a specific goal or objective within a set time frame. These teams can be found in a variety of settings, including business, government, and non-profit organizations. There are several key components to an effective project team. First and foremost, it is essential to have a clear and well-defined project objective. This will help to ensure that all team members are working towards the same goal and that their efforts are aligned. It is important to have a diverse team with members who have a range of skills and expertise. This will allow the team to tackle the various challenges that may arise during the course of the project. Effective communication is another crucial component of a successful project team. It is important for team members to be able to communicate openly and honestly with one another, to share information and ideas in a timely manner. This will help to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that there are no misunderstandings or miscommunications. In addition to strong communication, it is also important for project teams to have good problem solving skills. This will allow the team to identify and overcome any obstacles or challenges that may arise during the course of the project. It is also important for the team members to be able to work well together, gel together, to support one another. This can be achieved through regular meetings, clear roles and responsibilities, and a positive team culture and a positive attitude. Overall, the success of a project team depends on the combination of clear objectives, diverse skills, effective communication, and strong problem solving abilities. By focusing on these key components, project teams can work together effectively to achieve their goals and deliver a high quality results. Project works are done by the project team. They are ones who plan, execute, monitor and control the project. Some of the team members may work during the initiation and some may work during the closing. Project team members prepare the project's schedules. They will also prepare the budget for the project. While preparing the schedule and the budget, they create and develop the work breakdown structures. They determine the activities and identify the dependencies between them, and identify constraints and so on. See you in the next lecture.